Hey everybody, just want to welcome you to week 10, module 10 for ME 270 Structural Dynamics. So this week we're going to start chapter 9 in our textbook. This is going to cover vibration of our undamped 2 degree of freedom systems. So bookkeeping items for this week, we're going to start with our quiz number 10. This is going to be posted on Blackboard and this will be due on Friday the 6th by 4 p.m. Now a reminder, I have office hours scheduled for Tuesdays and Wednesday mornings from 9:30 to 10:30 a.m. Now, I also have Teams on my phone and my personal computer, and I'm on all hours of the day. So if you're not able to meet during this time slot here, just send me a message or an email or a chat on Teams. We'll work together for a time that'll work for both of us to get together. So for Module 10, our chapter objectives, we're going to go over these right now. So once you finish this chapter, chapter 9, you should be able to do the following things. One, you want to be able to calculate natural frequencies and natural modes for a 2 degree of freedom system. You should also be able to write expressions for the response of a 2 degree of freedom system to a non-zero initial condition. We also want to be able to describe the beat phenomenon, so we'll go over that a little bit and why. Calculate out our natural frequencies and natural modes for 2 and 3 degree of freedom systems with rigid body modes. We want to be able to determine the modal matrix, the modal stiffness matrix, and the modal mass matrix, all for a 2 degree of freedom system. We're also going to be able to write expressions in steady state frequency response for a 2 degree of freedom system, both in our principal coordinates and in physical coordinates. And last, we're going to discuss undamped vibration absorber and how that works. So we're going to break down Module 10 into 2 different sections. In our first section here, we're going to cover Module 10.1. In this section, what we're going to look at is free vibration of 2 degree of freedom systems, natural frequencies, and mode shapes. We're also going to take a look at our beat phenomenon. And last, we're going to take a look at some examples of modes and frequencies of a 2 degree of freedom system using the assumed modes models. Now for the second section of Module 10, we have 10.2 here. We're going to look at here now is free vibration of systems with rigid body modes. We're going to introduce our mode superposition, frequency response of an undamped 2 degree of system, and also take a look at some undamped vibration absorbers. Now we're also going to go through a couple of example problems covering stuff from both section 1 and section 2, 10.1 and 10.2 for this in my video solutions.